Chauhan's open up about quitting reality show Indian Idol. After Kishore Kumar's son Amit Kumar revealed that he was told to praise all the contestants during a special episode of singing reality show Indian Idol 12 that honored his late father, now singer Suniti Chauhan has come forward and shared her experience of judging the reality show. Suniti said, "Not exactly this that everyone had to do this, but yes, we all were told to praise. That was the basic thing, and so I couldn't go on. I couldn't do what they wanted and I had to part ways. Hence, today I am not judging any reality show." Earlier, Amit Kumar said, "Frankly, I wanted to stop the episode. I was told सबको praise करना है. I was told जो भी जैसा भी गाए उसको uplift करना है. Because it's a tribute to Kishore Da. I thought it will be homage to my father, but once there, I just followed what I was asked to do." However, Amit Kumar's statement didn't go well with the lyricist Manoj Muntashir, who was filling in for one of the judges in the ongoing season, and said, "If Amit Kumar came out and lashed out at the show, he shouldn't have agreed to be a part of it in the first place. He took money for being a part of the show and then criticized it. I wouldn't have done what Amit Kumar did. If I was in his place and not comfortable with the proceedings, I would have told the makers that I don't want to be a part of the show." Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai fame actor Karan Mehra was arrested by Mumbai police on Monday night after he illegally had a fight with his actor wife Nisha Rawal. Hours after his arrest, Karan was granted bail on Tuesday morning, June 1st. After getting bail, Karan shared his side of the story about what happened on Monday night, 31st of May. He said, "It is sad after so many years of marriage this happened. We have been discussing this for the last 1 month because things have been a bit strange between us for a long time. So we were thinking that if we should part ways or what should we do. So we were trying to fix things." Nisha's brother Rohit Sethia had also come to improve things. Later, Nisha and her brother asked for an alimony amount which was too high, and I said it was not possible for me. Last night also we spoke about it. He came to me at around 10 p.m. When I said it won't be possible for me, he suggested taking the legal way. After the conversation, I came to my room. I was talking to my mother over the phone when Nisha barged in and started hurling abuses at me, my parents and my brother. She started shouting loudly, and not only that, Nisha even spat on me. When I asked Nisha to go out, she threatened me by saying, "See what I do now," and went out. She then smashed her head on the wall and told everyone that I did it. Nisha's brother came and raised his hands on me. He assaulted me, slapped me and hit me on the chest too. I told her brother that I had not hit Nisha and he could check it on the camera of the house, but the cameras were already switched off. They started recording all the videos and then they called the police, but the police also did nothing because they know what the truth is. If they file a false case, the truth will come out. If tomorrow an investigation is conducted, the truth will be out. As of now, a case has been registered against Karan by the Mumbai police. For the unversed, Karan and Nisha got married in 2012 and have a son, Kavish. Earlier this month, there were some reports that Karan and Nisha's marriage is hitting a rough patch, but both had denied it.